Most Phoenix homeowners don't realize their windows could be the reason their energy bill skyrockets and their house feels like an oven. In today's video, we're going to reveal exactly how Arizona's heat destroys ordinary windows and what to look for so you don't waste thousands on the wrong ones. Now, the features that make the most difference for energy efficiency and longevity are going to be completely different. But for energy efficiency, it's going to be the glass itself. Low E. Low E is the chemical that's on the inside of the glass. You can't touch it. You wash the window like normal. You may have 1, 2, 3, or even 4 coats of low E, and that is what's going to get you the energy efficiency value of your window. There will be a rating on every window. It is an NFRC sticker. There are 2 main factors that you need to look at. You have the U factor and the solar heat gain coefficient, or SHGC. The SHGC is on a 0 to 1 scale, so it's a true percentage. That tells you how much heat is transferring into the house during the summer. Now this one here is coming in at a 0.23. So this is telling you that 23% of the heat is transferring in through the glass during the summer. Versus the U factor. The U factor is on a 0.2 to 1.2 scale, so it's a little skewed, but that tells you how much heat is transferring out from the house during the winter. For here in southern Arizona, we don't really need to worry much about the U factor. However, if you are trying to get Energy Star 7.0 or get a tax rebate or a federal tax credit for your window replacement, you do need to look at both of those numbers. You want to be at or below a 0.27 for your U factor and a 0.25 for your solar heat gain coefficient. Now, as far as energy efficiency or the low E coatings, there is a green base, a blue base. There's a couple different options out there. The way that it works is it reflects the light and the heat outward. You don't see it typically from the inside looking out, but it does have a hue to the glass. So if you are going to be particular about the hue of the glass, definitely check out the product that you're looking at to make sure you're going to be happy with the hue of your new energy replacement windows. A lot of times I'm asked if more is better, if double pane is not as good as triple pane. Triple pane typically is going to be better for the winter months. That's going to be great for sound and energy efficiency during the cold. However, double pane is going to be the best for you for the summer months. So here in southern Arizona, double pane 3 or 4 coat low E is going to be the best for you, unless you're trying to block out some extreme noise like a road or a freeway, then triple pane is going to be good for you. Now, the biggest mistake I see Arizona homeowners doing is thinking that they do not need energy efficient glass because the sun is not hitting that window. At night, when it's 100 degrees, you want that window to be energy efficient. That's still not getting the sun, but you still need that low E coating so your glass is energy efficient. Now, if I could give one piece of advice to Arizona homeowners, that's don't get oversold on the parts and pieces that don't matter. A lot of salesmen out there are gonna push you on the rollers, push you on the spacers, push you on things that really aren't gonna matter. Energy efficiency, strength of the material, the product warranty, and who's installing it is really what's going to matter. With that being said, give us a call. We're not a pushy company. We're here to figure out exactly what's going to be the best for you, for your budget, for your house, for your HOA needs, give you an option of a good, better, best if need be, and make you an educated purchaser so you don't feel the pressure, you know exactly what you're ordering, and you're going to be a happy customer for many years to come with the product that you pick. Give us a call or log on at azwindowreplacement.com. See you soon.